Hello, my name is Ed. Do you smell buttered toast? Let's get funky. Ah! I think I swallowed a turtle. Hey! Chickens! My brain is working.
Please help me, for my eyebrow is growing like a garden weed.
I'm hungry.
Hello.
Oh no! My brake came out! Kevin's got a pretty fancy garage.
Your sister's got a crush on Double D!
And she's a good speller. My parents moved the house, Eddie. Oh, my liver! Oh, my lasagna!